Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It is narrated by Ibn Umar that when he ﷺ was unfasted, the Holy Prophet ﷺ said, "Thirst has gone, the arteries are moist, and the reward is for sure, if Allah wills." Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. ذهب الظما وابتلت الأرق وثبت الأجر إن شاء الله. Abu Dawud 2357, Mustadrak 1568. It is narrated by Anas and Ibn Abbas. The Holy Prophet ﷺ used to say when he ﷺ unfasted, Bismillahi lakasumtu wa ala rizkika aftartu. Allahumma lakasumtu wa ala rizkika aftartu. Fataqabbal innaka antas samiul alim. Mishkat 1896. Abu Dawud 2358. Tabrani 2270. It was narrated that Abdullah bin Zubair said, the Holy Prophet ﷺ broke his fast with Sa'd bin Mu'adh and said, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Aftara indakumus sa'imun wa akala ta'amakumul abrar wa sallat alaykumul malaikatu. May fasting people unfasted with you, may the righteous eat your food, and may the angels send blessing upon you. Ibn Majah 1747.